We have a 2007 Nissan Forklift. The model is a CPF-02A20LV. Has a 4,000 pound lifting capacity. Runs on propane fuel. Has cushioned tires, good for use on solid surfaces, either indoors or outdoors. Has an automatic transmission. Has a 2-stage mast, commonly referred to as a trucker mast. Maximum lift height is 83 inches. That's just under 7 feet. It's ideal for loading and unloading truck trailer beds or moving around different product. Has tilt function forward and back. 42-inch long forks. Forklift's been fully serviced and is ready to work.